Hello there and welcome to Weekly Tips. Today I want to show you how to customize your Quick Access toolbar in Excel. Quick Access toolbar is the area where by default you can find, for example, the Save button. But did you know that you can put almost any command button there? To do that, you have to right-click on any existing command button and choose Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Or you can just click on the line with triangle button and choose More Commands. Then you can browse through different command buttons and choose whichever you want. For me, it's always AutoSum and Average buttons, but you can pick ones that will be most useful in your work. It's worth to mention that you can also assign macros to the Quick Access toolbar, and you can change the display name and the icon to better describe macro's purpose. Another useful feature is the possibility to change Quick Access toolbar for a single document as well as for all of them. Thanks to that, you can assign some macros or other functions which you use in particular files only. Final tip for today: you can customize your Quick Access toolbar in different Office applications as well. If you have some ideas for Quick Access toolbar customization, please share them in the comments below. That's all for today, thank you and see you next time.